Cool. Well, I'm going to get started here. Looks like we have, yeah, must be 20, 25, 30 people on the call. So welcome to the home renovation webinar. Thank you so much for being here today. Before I dive into today's topic, I want to introduce our firm, VictorEric, and along with today's speaker. So at VictorEric, we're a multi-award winning firm with over 25 years experience in the industry. We're a design build firm, so we have experience in a variety of project typologies, including new custom single family homes, custom home renovations, as well as multi-family projects that include duplexes and the new multiplexes that I'm sure lots of you have heard about. So today we're joined by Eric Lee, who will present here now.
Just want to get started here. So basically, this is how much does a rental cost? So most of you guys are here because you're curious about that exact question. So that's great. I'm gonna leave you guys with some case studies. You know, people love floor plans and photos and stuff like that, especially as before and after. So this is one in Westside Kerrisdale, this house. Scope of renovation, we changed the floor plan completely on all 3 levels. This was one of those very weird Vancouver specials where most Vancouver specials was I guess similar that way, but most Vancouver specials were 2 similar layouts where you have kitchen, bathroom, bedroom on top floor and on the bottom floor. This was one of those. They didn't like it. They wanted to update it to more of a modern layout where you have bedrooms all on the top floor and then living space on the main floor. So that's what we did. Pretty much completed, almost complete gut out. I'd say about 50% of the drywall were removed. We expanded the kitchen. It was an addition, push it into the back deck. We moved the front door forward, complete new interior finishes, cabinetry, doors throughout, new exterior windows throughout, new cladding, patches of it, not completely, new roof, and new landscaping, and a water feature. So 2,800 square feet, typical Vancouver special, $290 a square feet plus a kitchen and baths, about 10 months time. Now, why do we do a renovation versus new build? This allowed the customer to retain grandfathered setbacks. So in the olden days, the setbacks at the back and the front, they were different and they're more relaxed, and also above grade. Vancouver just changed the rules, so we don't have this situation anymore, but from 92 to last year, you had a certain number that's just for the above grade, meaning main floor and second floor. You're limited to that. So although they say that you get 60%, you can't use the entire 60% on your main and second floor. You have to push some in the basement. In this case, before that rule, these houses didn't have that, and it was a great floor plan layout, lots of light on the top. So that's why they kept it. Okay, so that's the before, pretty ugly, but we beautified it, right? We put a new retaining wall, some landscaping. We changed this box window, this roof form. We added exterior details. We added a bit of a roof detail here. We even added a water feature with this cost. So all of the gray walls here, okay, I can't point to it, so you'd have to see it. But basically, if you look at the walls, the gray filled-in walls, those are new walls. And then the ones that's hollow, those are the existing walls. Upstairs is where we really change everything. Like pretty much everything in the middle is changed except for the stairs, right? Okay, so that's the exterior. That was the old front door. It was a weird house I remember when we saw it for the client. This front door was like pushed way back, and you can't even tell where the front door is when you come from the front yard. So what we did was we made the entrance a lot more interesting. We pulled the front door forward a little bit as much as we can by code, but then we also added this nice roof detail so that someone walking through noticed that, oh, this leads the eye into around the corner. So that's where you get the front door. This is a new water feature that we did. And there's a water curtain here with a bench seat and a Zen garden. So quite beautifully done. We built up that wall in the front to give it a bit of a front yard oasis. So that turned out really well. This is a powder room, the master ensuite. So it feels completely new. This is we gave them a den with a built-in millwork and the front living room.